Hello batswana ko gae nna ke bidwa ke file ke ba bonya Ramatlakola ke rata go acta hela yalo so ke ne ke kopa gore leng vote. Oh my god, you are overdrunk again. Why the father of my children? Why my husband? Oh, I've been listening to you for the past 5 years lecturing me about how I should spend my money when you sit down and do nothing. You left your job, and for what? Huh? So that you can always be home drunk and beat me up, isn't it? We've been married for 6 years now, and in 5 years I've been your slave. I've been cooking for you food that you have never eaten, and every night you'll come home smelling women's perfumes and lipsticks all over your shirt. Why? Why did you marry me? Did you marry me to suffer? You know what? Yesterday was your last day you beat me. I swear by my son's grave, if you dare touch me one more time, you won't know what's coming to you.